friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking duck breast in the air fryer. I bought it in the frozen section and I defrosted it, so I'm cooking it from thawed for best results. If you want to cook it from frozen, you can. You just need to add 5 extra minutes to cooking time. So I just have this duck breast and seasonings. You can use any seasonings you like. I'm using salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. So I'm going to take duck breast out of its packaging and season it. So I just sprinkle it with my seasonings. Here's salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And rub the seasonings in. And then season the other side the same way. So flip it over, and again go salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And now let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to add duck breast to the air fryer basket, skin side up. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 15 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this duck with extra crispy skin. It looks amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. I do recommend checking the instant thermometer temperature to make sure it's at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's over 165, so it means it's cooked. If it's under 165, just put it back in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for another few minutes until it's fully cooked through. Because the time also depends on the size of the breast. The larger duck breast takes longer to cook. So let me take it out. Perfect. It looks so good. Let me just slice it so you can see the inside. So perfectly cooked inside. Looks so good. So you can just slice it in thin slices like this. How juicy. The juice is bursting out of this duck breast. Perfect. And now let's try it. I'm just gonna cut myself a small piece. So delicious. It's so soft and so juicy. Totally mouth-watering. It just melts in your mouth. If you never tried duck breast, please give it a try. You will love it. An air fryer is perfect for cooking it. No effort required. Just put duck breast in the air fryer and it will cook it to perfection. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!